Welcome to our channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I help creators grow their channels with smart strategies and practical tips. If that sounds good, hit that subscribe button and let's get into it. YouTube SEO, or search engine optimization, is how you optimize your videos so they show up in search results, recommendations, and related videos. Think of it like making your content more discoverable. It's not just about uploading a video. It's about helping YouTube understand what it's about and who should see it. Before you even hit record, do your keyword research. Keywords help you understand what people are actually searching for. Here's how to find them. Use the YouTube search bar, start typing your topic and see what auto-suggestions pop up. Use tools like TubeBuddy, VidIQ, or Google Trends. Look at the titles of top-ranking videos on your topic. Pro tip: choose keywords with high search volume and low competition if you're a smaller channel. Once you've got your keyword, make sure it appears in your video title. Description. Tags, yes, they still help. Spoken words, YouTube can read captions. Your title is the first thing people see. It needs to be clear, catchy, and include your target keyword. For example, bad my first video. Better YouTube SEO basics for beginners. Rank videos fast. And your thumbnail, it should stand out. Use bright colors, bold text, and clear imagery. Think of it as a billboard in a sea of other billboards. Make people stop scrolling. Next is your description. This is your chance to explain your video to YouTube and your viewers. Here's what to do. Start with a few lines that include your keyword naturally. Add links to your socials or related videos. Use timestamps to help with navigation. For tags, include a mix of broad terms like YouTube tips, specific terms like YouTube SEO for beginners, misspellings or variations of your keywords. YouTube wants to keep people on the platform, so if your video gets high watch time and engagement, YouTube will promote it more. Here's how to boost that. Hook your audience in the first 15 seconds. Use pattern interrupts like cuts, music, or text to keep things interesting. Ask viewers to like, comment, or subscribe. Engagement tells YouTube your content is valuable. Also, end your video with a clear call to action like pointing them to a related video. Create playlists around your content themes. Not only does it organize your channel, but it also increases session time, which helps your SEO. And don't forget end screens. Promote your next video. Ask them to subscribe. Link to a playlist. All of this helps keep viewers on your channel longer. Lastly, track your performance. Use YouTube Analytics to see where your traffic is coming from, which videos have the best retention, what keywords are working. Use this data to improve future videos. YouTube SEO isn't a one-time thing. It's a continuous process. YouTube SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and it's how you help your videos get found in search results, suggested videos, and browse features. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, right behind Google. So just like websites need SEO to rank on Google, your videos need SEO to show up where viewers can find them. In short, YouTube SEO visibility, more views, subscribers, and growth. Let's start with the foundation keywords. Before you even film your video, you should know what people are searching for. How to find the right keywords. Use the YouTube search bar, type your topic and see what suggestions pop up. Try tools like TubeBuddy, VidIQ, or Google Trends. Check what keywords similar successful videos are using. Once you find your keyword, make sure it appears in your video title, the description, tags, and even in your spoken content. For captions and transcripts, your title should be clear, clickable, and keyword-rich. Example: crossmark how I get views. White heavy checkmark YouTube SEO for beginners. How I get more views fast. 2. Description. Your first 2 lines should be keyword-rich and explain what your video is about. Then include timestamps, links to related videos, social links or products. YouTube reads your description to understand your video content. Don't skip it. While tags aren't the most powerful anymore, they still help. Booze. Main keywords. Synonyms. Common misspellings. Pro tip: don't keyword stuff. Keep it natural and useful. SEO is about getting found, but CTR is about getting clicked. Your thumbnail and title work together to get that click. Here's what works. Use bold, readable text. High contrast and bright colors. Show emotion or curiosity. Keep it consistent with your branding. A good thumbnail can double your views even with the same content. Pushpin pro tip. Test different thumbnails over time using YouTube's A/B testing features, like TubeBuddy's thumbnail split test. SEO gets people to your video. But what keeps them there? That's where watch time and engagement come in. YouTube rewards videos that keep viewers watching longer. Get likes, comments, and shares. Encourage viewers to click on other videos. To boost watch time. Hook viewers in the first 10 seconds. Use visual changes, cuts, animations, text. Add pattern interrupts to reset attention. For engagement, simply ask. Hit like if this is helping you so far. Comment below. What's your one YouTube growth goal? You can also use SEO tactics inside your channel. Playlists. Group related videos into playlists. This boosts session time, how long someone stays on YouTube because of you. End screens. Use them to send viewers to your next video or ask for a subscribe. Cards. Add cards to recommend related content during your video. It keeps people engaged and on your channel longer. YouTube SEO isn't one and done. You need to look at what's working and adjust. Inside YouTube Studio, go to traffic sources to see if you're getting views from search. Click-through rate to check thumbnail/title performance. Audience retention to see where people drop off. Pro tip. Keep improving. Update your titles, thumbnails, or descriptions based on what the data tells you. To wrap it up, YouTube SEO is all about helping your content get seen. Focus on keywords, optimize your titles and descriptions, create eye-catching thumbnails, and keep people watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment, ranking up, so I know you made it to the end. Want more videos on YouTube growth and strategy? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching. To wrap it up, YouTube SEO is all about helping your content get seen. Focus on keywords, optimize your titles and descriptions, create eye-catching thumbnails, and keep people watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and comment, ranking up, so I know you made it to the end. Want more videos on YouTube growth and strategy? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching.